We prefer gold over silver, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put her away.
Okay.
Right? Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, so pretty. Look how cute. It's a little mailbox. Pass by the plaza. They're very famously known for Home Alone 2 and my favorite place in the whole fucking city. If I would have known, I would have bought one a long time ago.
Yeah, right?
Oh, that's super cute. That's smart. If you come, if you're not from New York, you gotta get one of these. This is just too gorgeous. Hey guys, I'm home, so let me show you my little haul of what I got shopping. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so let's get into the haul. I'm really excited to show you guys. Perfect way to end a New York City shopping day is with some genuine New York City pizza. I love pizza. Okay, hey guys, so it's the next day, but I tried to replicate some of the vibes from yesterday so I didn't feel too discombobulated. Let's get into it. We have Louis Vuitton, Dior, a Plaza Hotel. Very excited. It's not a lot, but some good stuff, so let's get into it. So first thing we have is a little bag from the Plaza Hotel. If you've never been to the Plaza, it is the hotel that was in Home Alone 2. That's the Plaza Hotel. It's my favorite place in the city. Unfortunately, the food court has been closed and completely out of business because of COVID, which is so sad because it's literally my favorite place in the city and it's just gorgeous and I miss it so much. So I just wanted to go in and kind of still feel like I was there and feel the vibes. And the gift shop is open and they have like a couple little kiosks that are open, so you can still go inside and see that stuff. So I went into the gift shop and I picked up this really cute towel for my bathroom that says the Plaza New York in gold. So beautiful. The Plaza in gold. So I'm going to put this on my sink and I just think it's going to look so freaking cute and chic, and I love the Plaza. It's my favorite place in the city, like I said. So had to pick this up. I just think it's so cute. I don't want to unfold it all the way, but it is a pretty like decent sized towel, so you can actually use it as a hand towel. I'm just gonna have it like propped up so you can see the Plaza. All right, next we have a little something from Dior. Very excited. This is my first purchase that I actually went into like a Dior store and bought something. So yeah, I'm really excited. I love the packaging. I wanted to buy more, but the sales lady was like not doing her job, And like I wasn't trying to spend, you know, $5,000 on a bag, like not yet. Like I want a Lady Dior, but that'll come probably in the next 6 months. But for now I just wanted like a little, like couple little cute things, because I'm not a huge Dior fan. Like as far as their designs, the only bag I really like from them is the Lady Dior, but I do love the allure of Dior, the vibe of Dior, the daintiness, the Parisian, you know, afternoon tea soiree kind of vibes. And like they really got me this year with this gold and white Christmas vibe, and I love the little bow and everything. So I wanted to pick something up from Dior to get like the nice packaging and everything. But yeah, the lady wasn't really selling the stuff. Like she wasn't saying like, oh, what's your budget, like what do you want to buy? Because I was gonna get like maybe a perfume and like a plate and a scarf and maybe some sunglasses. Like I wanted to spend like, you know, a decent amount of money, and she was just not giving. So I ended up just getting one thing, and this is something that I've wanted for a long time. Look how cute. They put it in this little baby. Oh my god, look how cute this is. This little baby box with the Dior little ribbon. How freaking cute is that? Oh my god, they even stick it down with a little Dior sticker. How cute is this? So I got a Twilly scarf, and these are this is part of the classic collection. So they do have some limited edition ones, but I wanted to get one that was classic, that could be used with anything and can be used for years to come. So this is one of their silk little scarves, and theirs are actually really nicely priced. They're $2.50. This one has an imperfection on it. Should I take it back? Do you guys see that right there? There's like a little imperfection on it. It's 100% silk, so I don't know. It has the Christian Dior, and then it has the Dior you know, label like printed, or the motif rather. So it's super basic, super, you know, classic. You can use it on your hair. I have this idea of using it in my hair. I think this will look so cute in my hair for the spring and summer, like tied like this, or tied around my ponytail like that in the back, as you can see in the mirror. I think that would look so cute in the hair. And then I also think this would look really cute on like a plain bag that needs a little extra something. I think this would be so cute for the spring and summer, and I've been wanting this for like a year now, so, or probably past a year. I've had it on my wish list for a while, and I'm not one of those people who's gonna like wait for anyone to buy me anything. And yes, I will be keeping the bag, the ribbons, the ties, the bows, everything. You always want to keep that stuff just in case you ever want to sell. Last thing is from Louis Vuitton. I'm very excited. Oh my god, so excited to show you guys. I love the red ribbon for Christmas, because normally they do like a purpley bluish ribbon, but since it's holiday they did the red ribbon, which is so pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna come back and do a little unboxing video for like Instagram, and then I'll come back and show you guys, because I don't want to ruin the bow and then I can't do the unboxing video. I just did a cute little unboxing of the Louis bag for Instagram and TikTok and stuff, so if you want to see that, head over there. But yeah, I'm really excited to get into it. Are you excited? Can you guess what's in here? Ooh, cute. Ah! Oh my god, are you dying or are you dying? Because I'm dying. Look how beautiful. And she comes with this gold chain strap, which is so cute. I'm obsessed with this little bag. So freaking beautiful, classic, chic. And I love the gold chain, and it clips right off, so you can use this chain for other things, or you can wear this as a clutch. It could look like if you get a shorter strap. I think this would be so cute if it's the right length. You could wear it under your shoulder like this, or just hold it as like a little hand bag like this. So I'm probably gonna buy some different straps on Etsy. Hoodies of this one, you can dress it up or down. I'm obsessed with the little envelope style. And the thing that I really wanted a pink bag, and I couldn't find one that was like the right color and size and shape that I wanted. And then I was gonna get the cousin bag or coussin or whatever, and it has like this similar 3D motif, the LV motif, and it has like that cushiony material that this bag has. But that bag, I'll put a picture here, my husband did not like it, and the more he explained to me why he didn't like it, the more I was like, you know what, you're right. He was like, it just looks tacky, it just looks cheap, like it doesn't look classic and chic. And I was like, you're right, because this bag is like a trend bag, like it just came out, and I just really like it because it's trendy and I thought it was different. But this one I feel like is more classic feeling. The motif is similar to that bag, but this one's more subtle and more chic, more downplayed, just a little bit more grown-up looking. And so having my husband there to like give me his input really made a difference, and I'm so happy with it. And it's a lot cheaper than the other bag that I wanted. There was a couple other bags that I liked that were like 25, 26, 27, and this one was only I think 1,500. so definitely a big difference in price. So it made me happy that the one that I actually liked the most was one of the cheaper options. So I love this bag, and the leather on it is so buttery and nice, and it's just like a gorgeous bag. Like, I'm obsessed with it. So that is it for everything. I didn't go too crazy since the bag was the most expensive thing I picked up. But yeah, I hope you had fun with me. Hope you enjoyed this. If you ever get a chance to come to New York for Christmas, I highly recommend it. It's amazing. Merry Christmas. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas season. I do have a ton of other videos coming. I have a Christmas in Paris video, Christmas in Copenhagen, so definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna try to post one every single day. So if you didn't catch the other ones and it's already past Christmas, go check them out. The Paris one is less Christmassy and more just like a Paris vlog, so it kind of works for all times of year. But anyway, Merry Christmas. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. And my mom has COVID, so if you could just send a little prayer for her to make sure everything, you know, just works out and everything stays, you know, positive and healthy, I would really appreciate that. Love you guys so much. Stay glam, and I'll see you in the next one. Besitos. Bye. Feliz Navidad!